Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to add poll to caption on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So first up, you need to make sure that your Instagram is updated. So to do that, you just need to open your App Store or Google Play Store if you're using Android device. Here on App Store, tap on the search box right there at the top and search for the Instagram application. And here, as you can see, if an update button shows up here, you just need to tap on update. So make sure to update your Instagram because this is the latest feature on Instagram app. Once done, open your application as you can see. Now, if we're going to try to create an Instagram story, tap on the plus icon at the bottom middle of your screen. If you're going to tap on this plus icon, basically you just have to choose any of the picture that you want to add as a post. All right, then tap on next button here. Again, tap on the next button at the top right hand corner. Or you can basically find that next button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then on the next page, as you can see here at the bottom of that photo or video, you'll find here, write a caption or add a poll. So basically, if you're going to tap on that box here, and basically you'll find an option or button which says poll. So we're going to tap on that poll to create a poll on this photo or video on your Instagram story. So here you can ask a poll question. So you just need to add right here or type here. For example, I'm going to add a poll question here. So for example, I'm going to type this one here and then leave the option here. And then once done, you just have to tap on the OK button at the top right hand corner of your screen. And once done, tap on the next button at the bottom right hand corner. All right. And then finally, you can now share it by tapping the share button. So you just have to wait until you finish posting it on your Instagram story. And here, as you can see, finally, we have just posted the Instagram story. Now, if you're going to look at the bottom of your photo or video, you'll find an option here. It says vote. So basically, you're going to tap on that and then you'll find the poll question. So here you can basically select yes or no. So your vote will be visible to the poll creator. So others may be able to see that you voted, but not what you voted for. And that's it. That's how you basically add poll to caption on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.